Hi there guys. I am going to show you how to do the strap placements for right-handed crocheters. It's a little different for left-handed and right-handed as to where you're going to place your stitch markers. I'm sorry this is not very close, but I will lift it up and show you where you need to place your stitch markers so you can add your straps. Okay, so there's going to be a front side and a back side. The front side is going to be where you have your top folded in half, and then you have your long double crochets at the edges of your top. Okay, so as you can see here, your long double crochets and then your long double crochets over here. Okay, so for right-handed crocheters, I'm going to show you just like for size small, and then it does have instructions for the different sizes. Okay, so we're gonna have our stitch marker, and for the small we are going to place our stitch marker going from the left side. Okay, so here's the left side, and then we have our long double crochets right here on the edge. So what we're going to do is we are going to place our stitch markers right before the 5th long double crochet. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this. So here's your 5th long double crochet, and you have that chain 2 space. So you're going to place your stitch marker in that chain 2 space right before your 5th long double crochet. You remember, this is on the front side, so when you have it folded in half, you're going to see your long double crochets lined up right at the edge. Okay, so we have from the left side, again, you're going to place it right before your 5th long double crochet. So we are going to do from the right side, you are going to place your stitch marker in the space, the chain space, right after your 4th long double crochet going from the right. Okay, as you can see here, here's 2 and then 4, and then we're going to place it right in that chain 2 space. Okay, so again, from the left we are going to place it right before the 5th long double crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to place it right in that chain 2 space. And then from the left we are going to skip 4 long double crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to put it right in that chain 2 space. Okay, so now we're going to flip it over to do the back side, and on the back side you are going to see your hearts or your shells right at the edges of your top when it's folded in half. So here are your shells, and then here are your shells right there. Okay, so for the strap placement going from the left, we are going to put it in the chain 2 space right after the 4th long double crochet. Okay, so again, we're going to count 4 long double crochets. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to slip that stitch marker right in that chain 2 space. Okay, and that's from the left. So again, we're going to skip 4 long double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and place it in that chain 2 space. Okay, now we're going to go from the right, and we are going to place our stitch marker right before our 3rd long double crochet. Okay, so here is 1, 2, 3. So we're going to place that right before that in the chain 2 space. And then that will be where we start our strap placement. Okay, so again, for the back side, we are going to skip 4 long double crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we are going to place our stitch marker in that chain 2 space directly after the 4th long double crochet. Okay, and then from the right, make sure you keep your hearts lined up right there on the edge, and then we are going to skip 2 long double crochet, and then we are going to put it in that chain 2 space right before your 3rd long double crochet. Okay, and then that is where you will start your strap placement for the small. Okay, I'm right-handed, so I can't crochet it for you to show you exactly how you will do it, but we're going to go to the front side. Okay, and we have our stitch marker here. So you're going to chain 3 and then do another double crochet in the chain space. You're going to skip the single crochet and then place 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Okay, so you'll do that on the front side. Sorry, I got my top uneven. Okay, so and then from the right side, you will attach your yarn in the chain 2 space right after the 4th long double crochet. Then you will double crochet in that same chain 2 space. You will skip your single crochet, and then you will put 2 double crochet in that second chain 2 space. Okay, I hope you guys understand that. If not, just leave me a comment in the messenger group. I am going to just post these in the group because this is not actually the original pattern. I boo-booed, so I had to figure out a way to put your straps in there correctly. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the group, and then we'll go from there.